Home Remedies presents
Secret recipe that will make you look younger in just 20 minutes. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and today I have come up with a very miraculous and effective beauty recipe which will make you look young and radiant even after 50 years. And that too in just 20 minutes. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. We are going to use completely natural ingredients to make this face pack today, which I'm sure are readily available in everyone's kitchen, and you can try just after watching the video. The main ingredient of today is rice. Why this recipe works wonders. Rice is rich in a substance called squalene and linoleic acid. Linoleic acid have very powerful antioxidant properties, and they also have the ability to stimulate the creation of collagen, which has the ability to reduce wrinkles. Squalene can protect your skin from all the harmful effects caused by the sun. Rice also has an abundance of vitamin E. These beneficial properties of rice have also been scientifically proven. Rice can help you rejuvenate your skin in a very short period of time. Here is the secret recipe that will make you look younger. Necessary ingredients: 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of milk. Preparation: first cook the rice for about 2 minutes, then strain it and store the water in which the rice was cooked for later use. Add 1 tablespoon of hot milk and 1 tablespoon of honey into the rice. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. Apply the mask on a clean skin. Leave the mask on until it dries. Then wash your face with the water with which the rice was cooked. Rice water and its properties. This rice water will help you improve your blood circulation. It will act as an antioxidant. It will moisturize your skin and help you get rid of wrinkles. It will also help reduce any skin inflammation and will keep your skin healthy and hydrated. You will notice its effectiveness from the first application. You can use it 1 or 2 times a week. It is preferred to apply before sleeping, and do not use anything after rinsing with rice water. Numerous people have already tried this miraculous and beneficial recipe, and all of them claim that it is extremely effective.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.